guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying all the drugstore products that I purchased for my last video. If you missed that video, I'll link it right here. Let's go ahead and get started with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I have high hopes for this because it was $14. So I'm gonna just apply this to my whole face because this is Glotion. My other Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, I usually just put to like the high points, but I'm gonna put this all over my face and see what I think. Oh, it's pretty soft. Let's see. My skin's not too bad right now either. I wouldn't say this is like an exact dupe for the Becca. Hi. But it's really awesome. Like I feel really glowy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do foundation now. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. It says it's medium coverage, so we'll see. I have a brand new beauty blender too that I just barely damped. So let's see what we think. Let's pray that this shade matches. Oh, it's taking an hour to pump out. What the heck? After like 15 pumps, it came out. So we shall see. I need to pull up a mirror so I can not use my phone. Hopefully it's a good shade match because I am a little pale right now, but I like to always have a little bit of a darker one because I'm usually pretty tan. It looks really pretty. Like honestly, it looks super, super pretty. I wouldn't say it's like super medium. I feel like it looks a little bit more light, which I like. It's going on really good. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I definitely feel like it's like satin, like it says. Okay, I really like it. I feel like I'm a little too pale on the face. I may have gone too light on the shade, but that's okay. I can always bronze up. But I feel like it's definitely satin. It's a medium to light coverage. It looks really pretty and it looks good with the glow lotion that I had on before. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal now. Okay, next I'm doing the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I have high hopes for this. I mean, I haven't heard anything about it, but I have high hopes and I hope that I got an okay shade and I hope it's not too thick because I'm a little picky with my concealer lately. If it's too thick, it's like really dry for me. You'd think living in Hawaii, I would be very, very dewy, but there's a fly. My face still gets really dry, so I have to like moisturize a lot. I'm gonna start blending and see. I think I got a good shade. I don't like to be too white anymore. I used to do like really light under the eyes, but we'll see how this wears throughout the day. I'll have to give you guys an update. I feel like it's blending really well and it doesn't seem as dry as the e.l.f. Camo one. So it doesn't seem like it's creasing too much, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and set. I'll show you guys with what I'm setting with. I did not buy a new powder for this video. This is my favorite one ever. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is the best. This is the best ever. I always rave about this. I've purchased expensive, and this still is my tried and true. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Feeling extremely pale, so we're gonna go ahead and do bronzing with the e.l.f. Powder Bronzer Palette. So I'm just gonna kind of mix a bunch of these and see what we think. I don't know if I should grab more or less, but I'm just kind of mixing them all. I usually go pretty heavy on the bronzer. I want you guys to see up close. It's not too bad. Okay, this is what we're looking like so far. It's looking pretty good. Okay, next we're moving on to blush. This is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky. Oh, this kind of looks like a MAC one. I was also gonna say this reminds me kind of the NARS Laguna bronzer. Kind of gives me that same color. So I use my same bronzer brush, and I'm not really seeing much. Oh, maybe a little. We'll see. I don't feel like it's showing up too much, but that's okay because I'm not like huge into blush, but I do love blush. Now's the time to do my eyebrows. They're freaking me out a little too much right now. I just hate how pale they look. I also didn't get a new eyebrow pencil because I wanted to show you guys this one. This is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and it reminds me so much of the, oh, now I can kind of see my blush a little bit better. It looks different on the camera, but it looks really good. I'll have to show you guys like when the sun's hitting it. But this is the dupe for Anastasia Brow Wiz. Like, I kid you not. This is my favorite ever. So I'm just gonna hurry and do this. I'll show you guys how quick I am at my brows. I am not like insanely perfect at them or anything. I just kind of fill in where they look sparse. And I just want to give them a little bit of color and add to my extra definition. I usually don't like pluck them tons anymore because I like to have them look a little full. I even add like brow gel, which I got for this video, and I like to kind of comb them up, but like look at the difference. I just shape them where they are already and just fill them in. Also, I don't know if you noticed, I applied the lashes that I had in my previous video, and I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I love them. I'm sad though because I didn't try the mascara. So I'm just gonna open it up and look at it really quick and just feel it. Maybe we'll have to do it in another video. Ooh, feels like super hollow. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. It looks just like the Better Than Sex, honestly. It really does. So we'll have to check that out for another time. But let's go ahead and do the brow gel and then highlighter and lip gloss. So this is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascara. And this is in the shade Blonde, I believe. Yes. Blonde. Yes. Okay, let's try this out. I always love brow gel. Helps my brows not look too crazy, but I also like to comb them up and kind of give them that messy look, if that makes sense. They look good. I really like that brow gel. It's a good color. Moment of truth. I've been wanting to try this Milani highlighter, and I almost used it when I filmed my last video, but I was like, I have to wait. Okay, so this is the shade Champagne. It's their baked highlighter. It looks really pretty. Let's see, moment of truth. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. You can see all the... Okay, if you're gonna buy anything from this video, buy this. This is insane. I'm gonna douse it over my whole body. This is really good. Let me put some on my chest because I want to have it all over. Oh my gosh, this is really good. There's a reason it was $14. Okay, I'm coming in close because I'm gonna do my lips for you guys. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Brunch Me. So I overdraw, but I don't like fill in, but I overdraw so my lips look big and plump. And then I kind of like connect them at the top. Something. And then I don't want the line to look like too perfect. So I just kind of smear. And then I kind of grab a little teeny tiny bit of foundation on my fingers and I dab. I don't want them to be too light. But when I do like a natural lip like this and I'm using lip gloss, I don't like it to be like too pink. So I'm gonna add the lip gloss. Last but not least, gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the shade Ice. Smells delicious, and I've been dying to use it. So we shall see. Yes. Oh my gosh, I could put this on all day. Are you kidding me? Like, look at that gloss. And then look at that highlighter. Like, I don't have perfect skin, but look how glowy. Like, that's insane. And this lip gloss is going in my purse, like, right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.